Get ready with me to do a lazy girl blowout. Believe it or not, I'm actually very lazy when it comes to doing my hair. And of course, I always go in with my thickening serum. This is really what helps my hair grow. I go in with a blowout cream. This reduces drying time by like 50%. If I can get a salon blowout look in the matter of like 10 minutes, I'm sold. Now I'm going in with my split end mender. This literally mends my split ends in 60 seconds, giving you a fresh cut out of salon look. My blowout cream has a heat protection in it as well, just an FYI. Then I'm going in with this Moxie mousse. This will give me additional volume, bounce, and shine. Make sure you brush the product in very well. Now I'm going in with my favorite new hot tool, InfinitiPRO by Conair. This is the new ArteBella design. She is so sleek, so aesthetic, and has multiple different features. The Italian-made motor is calibrated to reach an airspeed of 90 miles per hour when the concentrator is attached for superior drying performance to attain the flawless salon quality finish you desire. This blow dryer will give you stunningly gorgeous frizz-free hair in the matter of minutes. It literally took me 10 minutes to blow dry my hair. The ionic technology reduces frizz by up to 75% when compared to hair dryers with natural ion generation. Now I'm adding in these rollers while my hair is still warm to let it set. Then I'm going to go in again with my hair dryer and make sure to add a little bit more heat, and then I add the cool setting shot to the hair. I pull out the rollers, and oh my god, this is so much volume. This is legit the ultimate lazy girl blowout hack. I'm so impressed with how simple that was. And we are ready. That took me a total of 15 minutes. Comment below what your thoughts are.